Hyperlinks can be inserted into your workbooks as links that can take you to websites or other files or other worksheets in your workbook.
You can insert a hyperlink by going to Insert and then Link and then Insert Link, or you can just use the shortcut Control K to do this. Now you can link to a document or a website or to a place in your document. So place in your workbook being, let's say I want to give a hyperlink so that the user can quickly jump to sheet 2. And I want to take them to cell 2. Sheet 2, B2. Cool. Now that will take them there. They'll be able to click on this hyperlink and it'll take them there, but I want to give it a better name. So I'll call it go to next sheet. Could say go to dashboard, go to calculation block. And just for a little bit of extra help, I'll add a screen tip. This will come up if I hover over it. So click me. That's just an example. Cool. Go to next sheet. If I hover over it, click me. You might want to have some information there that helps explain to the user what will happen if they click on it. Bam, and we're taken to sheet 2, cell B2. So this can be useful if you want to have a table of contents in your document where if you have a number of sheets, a user can just jump to that first sheet and be taken to any section of your workbook. It can also be useful if you have, let's say we've got a calculation block here with a set of complex formulas. You could say source data. You could have a hyperlink that takes you back to the source data, which was actually on sheet 1. So now they want to see how these calculations were created, even though these are just an example. You could click source data and be taken to where you had your source data or source assumptions. So those are some useful ways to use hyperlinks.